Hey everybody, this is Kellen from Electric Wheelchairs USA. In this video, I want to go over one of Pride Mobility's newest folding electric wheelchairs. It's called the Jazzy Carbon 27. Now, Pride has had several of these carbon fiber folding electric wheelchairs. They first came out with it's just called the Jazzy Carbon. When you remove the battery, that chair got down to 39 pounds. That was a few years ago. I'd say about 3 or 4 years ago. Then I believe it was 2 years ago, they came out with the Jazzy Ultralight. When you remove the battery on that one, it gets down to 33 pounds. That's one of my favorite folding electric wheelchairs, by the way. And this one, the Jazzy Carbon 27, once you remove the battery, it gets down to 27 pounds. So they keep decreasing the weight as the technology advances. So in this video, I want to go over the Jazzy Carbon 27 and show you more about it. Let's get into it. So I'll start in the back here. The tires are flat free tires, front and back. They're not huge tires. I believe they're about 8 inches. You can ride this in the grass, but it's not huge tires like the Jazzy Ultralight. The tires were a little bigger. It was better in the grass. And again, you can use this in the grass. It's fine, but I'll just say that it doesn't perform as well as the Jazzy Ultralight. The motors, one thing that's really impressive to me is they're both 250 watt motors. So it's 500 watts of power between them both. And in fact, these are the same exact motors that are on the Jazzy Carbon HD, which is basically a bigger version of this. We'll put it on the screen. That chair can support 400 pounds of weight and it gets down to 32.5 pounds. This one can support 300 pounds of weight, gets down to 27 pounds. Here's your anti-tip wheels on the back. Pretty standard on most chairs, just going to prevent you from tipping backwards. Now, one thing I'll tell you about this that I think is really nice about the chair, it has a digital joystick. And if I put this motor in the freewheel mode with the joystick turned on, it tells you exactly what it is. It says right brake malfunction. It tells you exactly what you need to do. So put this back up into the drive position, the error message goes away. So it has diagnostic images that show up on the joystick for troubleshooting, which is awesome. But let me power this off for now and put both of these into freewheel. When you do that, you can push this like a manual wheelchair. You want to use this as a walker and kind of stretch your legs a little bit, no problem to do that. Or if you ran out of battery life, this is how you would push the chair. Just keep in mind you can't operate the chair when it's in freewheel because you're going to get that error message. So if I power this on, right brake malfunction, it's going to yell at me until I put them into drive. And then when I put them in drive, now you can use the chair. So on the back, I think this was pretty nice design is they have the mesh breathable back. When I sit in this chair, it contours to my back. So it is really comfortable. And it's breathable. So if you live in a hot weather environment, you're not going to have a sweaty back, or you're less likely to have a real sweaty back. So I think that's good that they have that. On the armrest, you press this button on the side. This is how you can flip the armrest up to transfer in and out of the seat. Now I will tell you that this bar does stick out a little bit from the seat back. It's about 4 inches. So this could get in the way. And when you're trying to transfer, it might not be a big deal to some people, but I think it's important to note that. Sometimes you'll see armrests will flip all the way back and this bar will get further out of the way. Now on the joystick, I'll show you some of the controls. So we have the speedometer in miles per hour. You have an odometer and you have your speed control. Right now you can see it's in gear 5, but I can decrease it down to gear 1 if I want to go to the slowest speed. Top speed is going to be at gear 5, then top speed on this is 3.7 miles per hour. This is also your battery gauge right here. You have your horn and you have a headlight. So headlight's a new feature. This is also on the Jazzy Carbon HD. It's the same exact joystick in addition to the motors. You got your charging port here. This is where you charge the battery. Here's a USB-C charging port to charge your cellular device. And in addition to that, on the joystick, a lot of times on these folding electric wheelchairs, you're seeing more and more of them have this feature where if I unplug this at this point, now I can remove the joystick easily. So when you're traveling with this, because it's so easy to remove the joystick, I would recommend doing that pretty much every time you travel with this, because you just don't want to break this, and it's so easy to do it, so why not? So let me line this back up. Now you'll notice over here we got a cup holder, got some scratches here, so be careful when you're transporting this. I had another wheelchair in the back of my vehicle and it scratched this up. So this carbon fiber material is really nice. I mean, it's got this glossy finish, but if you're not careful when transporting it, and that was my fault, I just had something sharp on it and it scratched it up. So just be careful of that. Little side note, it does come with a cup holder too. And if you notice, there's a port where you put the cup holder in, and it's the same exact port on both sides. So if I needed to remove this joystick and switch it to the other side, it's really easy to do. So you can swap these. We get that question a lot too. But what if I'm left-handed? Can I put it on the left hand, or can you make sure it's on the left hand before you ship it to me? It's not going to be attached on this chair, but it's so easy to put on the left or right. It's not really an issue.
Hey, I just want to let you know real quick, we do have a physical catalog that we can send to you, and it is free. It's not of all of our products, but it is of our top sellers. You can give us a call at the number below and just provide your information to the representative that answers, and we'll get it sent out to you. You can also click on free catalog at the top of our website and just fill out that short form and submit it. And once we receive that information, you'll receive that catalog in about 10 days. All right, back to the video.
It does come standard with this seat cushion. It's attached by Velcro. It has this flat pan seat, so you can get different seat cushions. We do have one called the Stealth Simplicity Cushion, which is probably double the thickness. It is more comfortable. If seat cushioning is important to you, I would recommend upgrading to that. This one might be fine for most people, but just wanted to share that. Now, the seat is 17 by 17 inches. Distance between both the armrests is actually up to 19 inches. There's a lot of distance between armrests. You also get a seat belt that comes standard. Now on the front, we've got the foot plate, and it is also carbon fiber, but it's kind of textured. I think this is nice. It's got good gripping material so your feet don't slide, and it's less prone to scratch. Also on the front, you have some coil spring suspensions here on the front wheels. Does a decent job of off-road, going on off-road terrain, so you're not going to feel the bumps as much. It's better than not having it, definitely. You also have a storage pouch down here. It's a zipper and decent size. A lot of times on these folding electric wheelchairs, you get no storage, but they do have storage on this one, so that's nice to have, and it's a decent amount. Here's where your battery is, so it's easy to access. There's actually a little clip right here at the bottom. I can pull this clip and it's on this track and you slide it right off, so easy to access. You can charge it right here. So in addition to charging on the joystick, you can charge the battery off the unit if you wanted to leave the whole chair in your garage. And then when you're flying with it, it's easy to access too, because they're going to require you to remove the battery. And I showed you how to remove the joystick, so I would remove both when you're flying with it. But then putting it back on, I'm just going to line this back up on these two tracks on this. And there's actually an easier way to do this. I'll show you here when we fold it. So the foot plate also flips up to get in and out of the seat easier. And let me show you how to fold this thing. So first thing I'm going to do is actually flip up the foot plate, and there's a little latch here on the back. I just lift it, and that allows you to fold. So the other way to grab the battery I was talking about is once you fold it and you have it sitting in this position, because it's going to stand up on these rear legs that stick out that allows you to stand up the chair. So you can access the battery from here. So once you fold it and you have it in this position, you just pull the clip. You can access it a lot easier this way. And also putting it back on the track is a lot easier to do it this way. And then as far as unfolding, just grab it from the back, and simple as that. Now you can also fold it down flat. So I flip it up. Usually when I fold it, I just flip the flip plate like almost halfway, and then I can fold it down. So I can fold it down this way too, if I wanted to. I like to fold it upright. It's less likely to scratch up the frame. Another thing I want to point out is the controls on this joystick are really intuitive. And when you get down to the lowest speed setting, it goes really slow, which a lot of people want it to go slow. Sometimes we've talked to customers, and it's important that the joystick goes at a crawling pace when they're in certain environments. And I think this one does a good job of doing that. So I don't think you're going to need to control this. Some people want to have the settings set to like a lower speed setting if that's possible. That's like in addition to the joystick. So you can control in the joystick, but sometimes you can get it adjusted down even lower than that. So a great thing about the chair too is using this chair like inside your home, or if you're shopping, because it has such a great turning radius. I can just stop right on a dime and pretty much turn around in my own footprint and go in the opposite direction. So yeah, this is the Jazzy Carbon 27. Now they have one called the Jazzy Carbon 27X. Don't be confused with the two. That one just folds inward. This one folds flat. They both get down to 27 pounds without the battery. The best thing about Pride is they are probably the biggest brand in the industry. They have world-class support. Their warranty is awesome. It includes a 1-year in-home service contract, so you have that additional peace of mind. But if you have any questions about the Jazzy Carbon 27, give us a call. We're open every day. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks for watching. You guys have a nice day.